Hello, which one are you, Pele or Ronaldo Rosario? Write in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Pele 1000 an extremely high score record. Ronaldo Rosario 400 official goals. Pele brought football to global popularity and is called the King. Ronaldo Rosario, an ideal model for modern striker. Ronaldo Rosario speed, dribbling, technique and powerful finishing. Pele, a versatile player, dribbling, passing, shooting, and playmaking. Ronaldo Rosario, 2 Ballon d'Or awards. Time World Cup winner.